Minnie, I won't drink this milk. I don't like it. Will you drink my share of milk too? Jimin, Titi, here I can't finish my share of milk and you are saying to finish yours too? Forget about it. Raised his one eyebrow. What are you talking about? Ginny Angi, Titi's tummy is full. Titi can't drink this milk. Give it to Minnie. Jimin looked at him with angry pout. Why give it to Minnie? Because Minnie niece is small. Minnie is so small, na? Jimin, Minnie isn't small. Minnie is a big boy. Titi is small. T showed him his hands. See, Titi's hands are also so big. Jimin looked at his hands. So what? Minnie's cute, na? So Minnie's hands are also cute. T. So you mean Titi isn't cute? Jimin, of course not. Only Minnie is cute. T. No, Titi is also cute. Jin shouts, silence! I don't wanna listen any word from you two. Now quickly finish your milk. Jimin pulled Jin's hand and hugged it tightly. Jinny Yangi, you are Minnie sweet Yangi na. Please don't do this. T hugged Jin's left hand. Yeah, please na. Jin looked at both of them. You both are becoming so bright day by day. Jimin, Minnie isn't bratty. Titi is bratty. T, no, Titi is a good boy. Minnie is bratty. Jin, shut up, just shut up. Can't you two live without bickering with each other? Jimin, Jinny Angi, don't be angry na. You will soon get wrinkles. T, see, you started getting aging. Women ran from there. Jin, you brats, what did you say? Ran behind them. Come here. They both started running here and there, and Jin ran behind to chase them. It's all too chaotic atmosphere. Suddenly they both bumped with someone and fell on the ground. Crossed arm, what's happening here? Why are you running here and there? Do you think you are in garden? T looked up. Cookie! Cook, it's Cookie Hangi for you, kid. Titi isn't a kid. Showed his palm. Titi is 5 years old, big boy. This Minnie is a kid. See, he still has a baby hands. Jimin offended. No, Minnie isn't a kid. Minnie is 2 minutes elder than Titi. Jin, silence. Cook, calm down, Jinny Hang. T, yeah, calm down, Jinny Hangi. You will get wrinkles, giggles. Jimin, then you will look like grandpa. Happily giggles. Jin, super mad. You called my worldwide handsome face as grandpa? Now I will beat both of you by my pink slippers. Women hide themselves behind him. Cookie, help us. Cook, it's Hyang for you, brats. Jin, Cook, move aside. Today I will teach them a good lesson. Cook looked at them. Let it be, Hyang. They are just small babies. Jin, they aren't small babies. They are devils. Cook, Hyang, now you are overreacting. They are naughty. I accept it, but not devils. Jin, you are saying this because you aren't staying with them. I live with them for whole day. I know them very well. Cook tried to divert his attention. By the way, Hang, why are you running behind them? Now what did they do? Jin, I gave them milk, but they weren't ready to drink it. Cook made both of them sit on the chair. Minnie, Titi, it's very wrong. You know, milk is very important for the body. It gives us strength. See, Cookie also drinks milk. T, because Cookie is small na. Cookie needs to drink lots of milk. Gave his glass to him. Cookie should drink Titi's share of milk too. Cook, oh really? I'm small and you are so big. Jimin gave him his glass of milk. Cookie, you need lots of strength. Here, drink Minnie's share of milk too. Cook looked at him. Oh, so now I became weak too, huh? Women stood on their chair and patted his head. Yes, Cookie. Jin served his breakfast. Cook your breakfast. Looked at women. You haven't started drinking your milk? Drink it fast. I don't have time. Jimin. Where is Jinny Hanky going? Jin. I'm going out of town for 2 days. But Titi hasn't packed his clothes yet. Wait, Titi will quickly pack his clothes. Jimin. And Minnie too. Cook. No need to pack anything. Hyang is going alone. You aren't going with him. Jimin. Then who will protect Jinny Hangi? Cook. He has Jun Hyang to protect him. He doesn't need bodyguards like you do. No, Titi won't allow Jinny Hangi to go with Juni Hangi. Juni Hangi will break Jinny Hangi. Cook looked at him. Why do you think so? Jimin. Because once Juni Hangi broke Titi's Kal. Yeah, Titi can live without Kal, but Titi can't live without Jinny Hangi. Jin. Oh, my babies loves me so much. Jimin. Of course we love Jinny Hangi so much. Cookie, call Sunshine Hangi and tell him to go with Jinny Hangi. Cook. He is busy. Then call Meow Meow Hangi. Cook. He is also busy. Jimin. That cat always be sleepy. Jinny Hangi, we will go with you. We will protect you. Don't worry. Okay? Cook. He can take care of himself. And you too. Did you finish your homework? Women shook their head vigorously. No. Jin looked at his wristwatch. Okay, now I'm going. Take care of yourself and house too. Kissed on women's forehead and left. Arthur's point of view. Let me give you their introduction. So it's June Mansion. Cook is mafia doctor. T and Jimin are twins brother. They are Cook's one of trusted members' sons who lost his life by protecting Cook. Women don't have anyone to take care of themselves, so Cook decided to adopt them. Cook was raising them since 4 years with the help of Jin. He gave him everything which they needed. Women are 5 years old boy. By nature, they are very naughty and never listen to anyone. They are the soul of the house. Just by looking their happy face, Cook forgets about his all the stress and pain. Jin is his cousin brother who takes care of women and stayed with them. Because women are very small, they need someone who can take care of them just like their parents, and no one is better than Jin for this work. Time skipped after some times. Jin already left for his work. Women were doing their homework in their room. Cook was talking with someone on the call. Just then women came there and heard their conversation. Cook. I remembered about their shorts. Don't worry, I will give them today. Yeah, I know, they will cry a lot, but it's necessary for them, and for me, nothing is more important than their health. Jimin, scared. Titi, did you hear him? Yeah, Minnie, he is talking about shorts, but why are you scared? Jimin, oh, for Titi, he isn't talking about shorts, he is talking about big needles. No way, Titi won't take those big needles. Jimin, Minnie also not take those big needles. We have to think about something. Thinks hard. Idea, Minnie, you distract Cookie. Titi will do something. Jimin, Utti. Time skipped after some times. Women were doing something in the garden. Cook was working in his room. Let's check now what are these naughty kids doing. Jimin, Titi, what are you doing? Minnie, Titi's hiding Cookie's medical bag so that he can't give us those big monster needles. Jimin, wow, Titi, you're so intelligent. When he doesn't have his medical bag, then how will he give us shots? Jimin, you are like Titi, but if Cookie gets to know about this, then he will be mad on us. T, don't be scared, Minnie. Only we know about this. If we won't tell him anything, then how will he get to know? Jimin, you like Titi. Now let's go and wash your hands before Cookie sees us. T, yeah, let's go. T hid Cook's medical bag in the garden and they both happily went inside the house. They thought they can easily make a mafia doctor fool. Poor babies don't know about the reality. Time skipped after some times. Cook came to living room while searching something. Women were doing their homework while sitting on the living room. Cook, Titi, Minnie. Women looked at him and ran to him. Cookie, see, we are doing our homework. Cook looked at their notebooks. Good. By the way, did you see my medical bag? Team, being super innocent. Medical bag? What's this, Cookie? Cook, you don't know medical bag? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, Minnie also doesn't know. What is medical bag, Cookie? Cook, medical bag, remember my bag in which I put my all the necessary medicines? Jimin, in which Cookie put lots of big monster needles? Cook, yeah, that one. Teen, that black bag? Cook, yeah, that black bag. Women, we never see such bag. Don't disturb us, we are doing very important work. Now go. Cook, okay, do your homework, let me search in somewhere else. I remembered I placed it on my room's couch. Then where did it go? Left. T. Minnie, now we are safe. Jimin, right Titi. It's been 1 hour since Cook was searching his bag. He searched it inside whole house but couldn't find it. He tiredly came into living room and saw women were quietly doing their homework, which was quite doubtful because they can't sit quiet all the time. They do bickerings. Cook to himself, these two are quiet. How can it be possible? Something is definitely fishy. Wait, did both of them hide my bag? Nah, they can't do this. Just look at them, how innocent they look. But they can't do this. Jinhyang told me how mischievous they are. Cook, strictly. T, Minnie, I searched my bag in whole house but couldn't find it anywhere. T, super innocently. If Cookie couldn't find it, then what can Titi and Minnie do in this? Cook, don't become over smart. I know you two must be know about my bag or maybe hide it somewhere. Jimin, Cookie, how can you blame this much innocent kids? Minnie will complain to Chinny Hangi, Juni Hangi, Sunshine Hangi and Meow Meow Hangi. T, yeah, Titi will also complain. Cookie can't blame Titi and Minnie. Cook, now it's confirmed that you two are behind it. Now tell me, where did you hide my bag? Jimin, Titi and Minnie are all innocent. Cook, look kids, neither I am Jinhyang nor I have patience like him. I only asked for one time. After that, women gulped hard. After that, what will Cookie do? Cook unbuckled his belt and hid on the couch. I have many more ways to spit the truth. I will count till 3 only. Women got very scared to see Cook's angry glare and the belt. It gave them a shiver. They know this very well that only Jin can handle the naughtiness. Cook can't do anything. Cook started counting. 1, 2, 3. Jimin, Minnie will tell you, but please don't scold us. Cook, I will decide that later. Now give me my bag. Women ran to the garden without saying anything and Cook followed them. Cook stood there with crossed arm and watching women who were busy in digging. Soon Jimin gave him his medical bag. He was standing there while hanging his head low. He was so scared. Cook was so amazed to see their daring. Cook in mind, I can't believe 5-year-old kids can do this. They literally buried my bag in the ground. How did Jin Hang handle them? Jimin, Cookie, your medical bag. Cook took his medical bag and left from there without looking at women. Women followed him by hanging their head low. Cook was sitting on the couch. He was still in deep shock to see women's naughtiness. He was feeling pity on Jin as he handled him daily without losing his calmness. Women came there and stood in front of him. Cook, whose idea was this? It's Titi's idea. Jimin, no, it's Minnie's idea too. Cook, why did you do this? Titi and Minnie heard Cookie's conversation. Cookie was saying that Cookie will give big monster needles. Jimin, Minnie and Titi got scared, so we decided to get rid away from it. Cook, so you decided to bury my medical bag? Oh God, I can't believe your pea-sized brain can work this much fast. Women held their ears. Titi and Minnie, surely, please forgive us. Cook looked at their innocent face. No, you won't deserve my forgiveness. You deserve punishment, and your punishment will be things hard. Yeah, you can't eat the snacks for whole day. Time skipped at midnight. It's midnight now. Cook was sleeping peacefully in his room after putting women on the bed. Whole day he didn't let women to eat any snacks. Women sneaked into the kitchen to eat midnight snacks. Jimin, Titi, Jinny Hangi always hides some snacks in upper shelf. T opened the door. Minnie, here is your cheese balls and potato wafers. Jimin, shh, don't make noise. If Cookie will come here, then he won't let us eat this. He will snatch it. T, oops, sorry. Titi won't shout. Sat on the kitchen counter and gave Jimin the jar of cheese balls. Minnie, here is your cheese balls. Jimin started eating his cheese balls. Thank you, Titi. They both started eating their snacks while cutely bickering. By this process, they turned Jin's precious kitchen into the living mess. Cook got thirsty and decided to drink water. When he was walking towards the kitchen, he heard some noises coming from the kitchen, so he came there and saw how cutely women were eating their snacks while bickering with each other. He leaned on the door frame and a sweet smile crept on his lips. He was happily looking at them and smiled to hear their nonsense talks. Just then he looked at the counter and his smile dropped to see the mess they created. If Jin got to know this, then he will be gone. Cook, what's happening here? Women flinched hard and looked at Cook. Cookie! Cook, I think I told you to not eat any snacks, right? Women looked down. Sorry. Cook, sorry, my foot. Just look at the kitchen. You both messed up with everything. If Jin Yang will see this, then first he will beat the hell out of me. After that, eat you alive. Women, sorry. We will clean everything. Cookie shouldn't worry about this. Jumped from the kitchen counter. Cook, have you lost your mind? Why did you jump from there? If anything happened to you, then... T, don't worry, Cookie. We always jump from here. Nothing happened to us. Cook, don't you dare to teach me what should I do or not. Understand? Cook brought cleaning stuffs and started cleaning the kitchen. He was looking super mad. Women tried to help him, but he didn't let them do anything. He wasn't talking with them too. After 15 minutes, he was done with the cleaning. He drank the water and left to his room without looking at women. Jimin, Titi, it looks like Cookie is so angry. T, yeah, Minnie, Cookie didn't even look at us. He didn't scold us too. Jimin, let's go and change surely. With that, they both went to Cook's room. Cook was sitting on the bed while holding his head. He was trying to control his anger. He doesn't want to hurt them. He saw women were standing at the door frame. He quickly lay down on the bed and fully covered himself with the blanket. Women climbed on the bed and sat each side of Cook. Cookie tried to pull the blanket. Cookie, we are Charlie. Please talk to us. Cookie stayed silent. Cookie can punish Titi and Minnie, but Cookie can't stay silent. Cook, I don't want to talk with anyone. Go from here. Jimin sat on him, but Minnie wanna talk na. T tried to pull the blanket, and Titi also wanna talk. Cook, why do I talk with you two? You never listen to me. T shook his head vigorously. No, Titi always listen to Cookie. Titi is a good boy, na. Jimin and Minnie is also good boy. Cook melted by their cuteness but decided to play with them. No, Cookie won't talk. Tomorrow Cookie will also go. Then here will no one to say anything to you. Titi will see how can Cookie go. Titi will complain to Jinny Yangi. Jimin, then Jinny Yangi will scold Cooking. Cook, Jin Yang will scold Titi and Minnie to ruin his precious kitchen. T screamed, ah! Cook immediately removed the blanket to see him. T, what happened? Why did you scream? Women took the opportunity and hugged him tightly and kissed on his both the cheeks. Titi is fine, Cookie. Titi only tricked Cookie. Jimin, Minnie knows Cookie loves Titi and Minnie so much. Now no more angry, Utti. Cook stubbornly, no, Cookie is angry. Women started tickling him and he burst into laughter and begging to leave him, but women didn't listen to him and tickled him until he forgave them. They both happily slept with Cook. Kids can tolerate anything except the silent treatment of their loved ones. For them, this is the biggest punishment. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. This is the requested story for Women Cook. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I thought a lot for the punishment. Silent treatment was the best option for these cuties. After all, who can punish them hard? I took so much time to upload it. Actually, I was little bit upset and disappointed because of views. I tried everything, but still it continuously decreasing. Not only views, subscribers also. Don't know what happened to my both the channels. Anyways, we will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.